ये एक बहुत ही गंभीर मामला है और इस तरीके से धमकियां शायद पहले बार सुन रहे हैं किसी चुने हुए एमपी के मुंह से, और इसके बारे में हमारी पार्टी और हमारे एमपी लोकसभा के अंदर निश्चित रूप से इसके बारे में प्रिविलेज मोशन मूव करने की जो उसकी एग्जामिन कर रहे हैं हम, और ये हमारे हिसाब से मूव करना जरूरी है।
Trinamool MP Taposh Pal's comments against women has drawn criticism from across the section of society, and to speak about that we have NCW chairperson with us now. Ma'am, your first reaction to the statement?
ममता बनर्जी को चाहिए कि वो इनको एक्सपेल करें, और अगर कहीं ना कहीं लॉ एंड ऑर्डर ममता बनर्जी से कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है, जहाँ पॉलिटिकल मर्डर हो रहे हैं, पॉलिटिकल रेप हो रहे हैं लगातार, तो उनको खुद को रिजाइन करना चाहिए। मैं आज स्पीकर को, प्रधानमंत्री जी को और राष्ट्रपति जी को, ममता बनर्जी को, सबको लेटर लिखने वाली हूँ कि ऐसे सांसद के खिलाफ एक्शन जरूर होना चाहिए ताकि इस तरह की बातें बार बार नहीं आए।
You've heard Taposh Pal's shocking statement. He's literally instigating TMC workers to go ahead and commit crimes, rape women if necessary, if their workers are harmed. How would you react to something like this?
This is shocking, horrendous, shameful. And if they, the lawmakers, speak in this fashion, what do we do about the ordinary citizen? I feel such people should be banned, their membership should be cancelled, police should take immediate action, and now if she doesn't act, definitely this will send a message again that they are very insensitive to women issues.
If he thinks he's done a really manly thing by saying that he'll send men and rape ladies, he's actually doing an illegal thing, and it's not at all manly to do that thing. Honestly, I don't feel safe at all, because he's supposed to be the one who's trying to protect everyone and take care of us, but then he's only saying that he's going to send people to rape other people. I think it's a no-brainer. Like, I probably don't know the extent of punishment that could be given to such a thing, but I think it's a seriously offensive crime. It's really insulting to women, and it makes us feel like degraded, and that we shouldn't be like citizens of this country at all if we don't get any respect.